Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how you can use your phone as a dashcam. With accidents on the road becoming more common, many people are turning to dashcams as an extra set of eyes just in case an accident should happen. These handy gadgets range in price, with some costing as much as £500. There is however a cheaper alternative, and this is something that most of us have already. Whether you're running on an Android or Apple device, you have access to apps that can transform your regular smartphone into a dashcam. There are a number of options on the market, with some paid and some free to use. For this video we'll be using the AutoBoy Black Box app. You can download it for free from the Play Store and be set up in a couple of moments. Alternatively, you can download a Viva Drive from the App Store on iOS and achieve the same result. In this example we'll be using the Olixar Dock & Go. It allows for a hassle-free dock and doesn't restrict the field of view of the camera. You can attach it to your dash or windscreen quick and easy and be good to go in a couple of seconds. By inserting your phone into the Dock & Go and opening the dashcam, you can begin to drive with peace of mind that your road trips are safely documented. The AutoBoy Black Box app tracks your speed and location, giving you all the relevant information should an accident happen. When you finish driving, you can view your clips in the gallery of your phone. This is very handy, and I like that you have the ability to share your recorded journeys should you need to. While this isn't the recommended method, it is a cheaper alternative and offers good results. Most modern smartphones have high quality recording capabilities, meaning you can record everything as you see it in high resolution. As the majority of dashcams require a power source, trailing and messy wires can be annoying. However, depending on the length of your journey, you could use this setup without plugging your phone in. A great thing I like about this is you have instant access to the footage. There's no messing around with memory cards, and you can view and share your clips with a few taps on your phone. This method is perfect for those who want to have a dashcam without being out of pocket. The setup is simple, and the easy access to your footage makes this a fantastic option. That's all we have for our video on how to use your phone as a dashcam. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase the card holder we used in this video, I'll be including links in the description and comments.